Hi everyone, today's video is about a small shopping that I have done few days ago through Nykaa's website, and I just ordered few basic things. And let me just show you a quick unboxing first, then I will explain the products in details after this quick unboxing. So this is the first product. It's the Lux Velvet Touch moisturizing body wash with silk essence, jasmine and almond oil, and the weight is 240 ml, and this is priced at 99 rupees, and there was no discount at all, so I purchased it for 99 rupees. This one is my favorite from the range of Lux body wash because the smell is really amazing. I have used it already and it's quite good. The scent is not that strong. And second thing that I like about this is the price. It's really affordable for 240 ml. And what I like about Nykaa is I always get latest manufactured products and not more than 6 months old products. So this one is manufactured on February 18 and expiry date is July 2020. So this is the texture of this is not very thick and creamy, so it's very easy to lather. And let me show you guys how it is. The color is like pearly white, and it's really good. See, it's not that very thick, and it's quite moisturizing on skin. So I also bought another scent from the Lux. This is the Lux Scarlet Blossom body wash. This is my second choice from their range of body wash. The scent is really good, but it's a bit stronger compared to the Velvet Touch. It says perfume that lasts up to 8 hours and with the fragrance pearls of Egyptian violet and elemi oil. So for those who's not aware what is elemi oil, it's known to boost skin health. I don't know exactly what they mean of this one for perfume that lasts up to 8 hours, but surely it's not like that it would really last up to 8 hours according to my experience. This one's also the same price at 99 rupees and 240 ml, and this one's manufacturing date is January 2018. This is the texture and the color of this Lux Scarlet Blossom. It's kind of pinkish color, or I don't know how do you say this color, the lightest red maybe. So this is the third product, which is the Clean and Clear Foaming Face Wash. This is 50 ml and priced at 65 rupees. So that's like $1. This would be my first time trying this face wash after reading a lot of reviews. I also bought 2 more face wash, and this one's manufacturing date is January 2018 and until December 2020. So this is the next face wash I bought, which is the Vaadi Herbals Pure Honey Lemon Face Wash with jojoba beads and priced at 60 rupees. But this one I got it on discount, so I paid only here 48 rupees. And this one, I have not tried this one yet, but the smell has that dominant lemon scent. The instructions says this one, crush milli capsules and work out lather. So I think I'll have to do a bit of extra work, but we will see. So this is the third face wash, which is from Himalaya Herbals. This is the Oil Clear Lemon Face Wash, and this one's weight is 50 ml and price at 63 rupees, but I also got a discount, so I only paid 47 rupees. And let's see, or said, okay, this one 47 rupees. So you'll notice that all the products are for oily face because it's summer, and during summer I'm mostly facing oiliness on my skin. So this is the last product that I purchased. This is the Vaadi Herbals lip balm. I love the lip balm from Vaadi Herbals. I used the lychee balm before and I really liked how it moisturized my lips. So I thought of trying the strawberry flavor this time for a change. This one's priced at 35 rupees, but I only purchased it for 30 rupees. So this is still sealed. Let's open it. This one's weight is 6 grams. So this is how it looks. I don't know what's that black stuff there. It looks like sand, but the smell is really good. It's not very strong. It's totally mild sand, but it's really good. It says here Ultra Moisture Lock. So let me show you the key ingredients on this one. It has it's steam distilled strawberry extract, vitamin E, organic honey, soy oil, and pure almond oil. So this one's manufactured on March 2018 and expiry is February 2021. By the way guys, this lip balm is not tinted at all. It is totally transparent. That's all guys, and thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.